Today we'll be showing how to properly and easily hang with a Rize KL150 Kwik-Loc with a looped cable end fitting. To begin, choose a sound structure to hang from. Take your looped cable end and place it around the support structure. Pull the end of the cable through the loop end and pull tight. It is important when placing the end of a cable through a Kwik-Loc that the end of the cable is either fused cut or cut with a proper cable cutter as shown. A frayed cable will result in a faulty installation. Place the end of the cable through the larger hole of the Kwik-Loc in the same direction as the indicator arrow. Make sure to release the pawl on the Kwik-Loc while feeding the cable through. If you attempt to feed the cable through the wrong hole, the cable will not properly feed. Once through the first side of the Kwik-Loc, take the end of the cable and pass it through the connector for the signage you are hanging. Complete the connection by passing the wire end through the second opening on the opposite side of the Kwik-Loc while making sure to disengage the pawl when passing the cable through the lock. Make sure the pawl on the Kwik-Loc is fully engaged. When you have made your final adjustments, make sure to leave a 6-inch tail on the end of the cable. Please make sure to use the proper cable cutter as shown earlier in the video. You can tape up the tail to leave a clean look and finish to the installation. The installation is now complete. Thank you for using Rize products.